quite a game there, a lot of energy in the game. One wonders if this is the first match of the season. Look at the amount of energy exerted by both sides. It means a lot of work, a lot of preparation has gone into the team's preparation for the league. And the outcome, I'm not sure anybody is surprised with the outcome. A lot of chances both sides, but one clinical one was taken. As the head of the technical team, you should be a happy person.
Yes, I'm very, very happy that we've won, because in a competition like this, you only have to win to gain more points. Aside that, there was a historical issue about Kotoko and this felt that for 50 years, Kotoko not win a game here, and we are able to break that gene. I said it before the game that there's always one day out of everything to change your life. So at the end of the day, after a hard-fought football, I've done justice to Kotoko, because when you look at the way we created a lot of chances, assuming we ended this game goalless, I don't think it's fair. So I'm very happy for my boys, and it was also ginger and starting the next week confederation game we are going to play in Accra.
Now, were you surprised the kind of opposition you had here, or you say that it is good enough to prepare you for?
No, I wasn't surprised. Every Kotoko game is a hard-fought game, because the coach said it. He said the only mistake he did was Kotoko beating him during the FA semi-finals. So it tells you that he meant what. So tactically, it's not a bad coach. So definitely, and then again, aside everything, there's no mini match for Asante Kotoko. Every match, everybody, look at the way people came to the field. Do you think the next game they will get people like this? No, it's Asante Kotoko. So the moment you beat Asante Kotoko, the moment you play well against Asante Kotoko, you also had your own game. So this is what I told my boys. When you were in your various clubs going to play Kotoko, you double up your effort. So the same thing will be done to you now that we are in Kotoko. So we have to work extra hard to be able to face them with the energy we wanted, or else along the line will fail.
My final question: how does this result, this outcome, this performance play in your mind and going into the task in Africa?
It is positive, because this is a case where, and I think my supporters will be happy. You see, we are playing to make them happy, and I know they will be happy today. So they will come to the stadium and then support us against the Kwara United game. So I'm very happy we had a nice start here. We use that to motivate ourselves against Kwara. So to me, it's a positive side of the game. I'm very happy.
So what they should expect more these days?
Well, we are still working. We are not yet there. You know, we just started the league, and then when you look at our story, we have a lot of about 15 players. So the gelling is a problem. So, but definitely this is no excuse. You understand me? It is no excuse. So you can gel without winning, and you win without gelling. So which one do you prefer? But I saw it getting to the end of the game. We seriously took over the second half, and we created more chances more than them. Though they created some chances, but ours were more. So this is a motivation factor for us to go into Kwara United match on Sunday.
Coach, it seems, first of all, let me congratulate you for the historical news you have created here.
Thank you.
Coach, it seems something is working as a magical tool for you since you took over from Asante Kotoko. All the difficult games, your magic weapon is your second half. I will take you back from Midiama, Tampa TNA against Berekum. This same team, in the second half, you did the magic, qualified the team to the finals of the NTN FA Cup. The President's Cup against Asofo, you were down, you came back to win in the second half. And today, the second half is the magic for you. What is so special about your second half approach of the matches?
When you quantify or effort in the energy way, we see that we are going to Africa. So definitely we have uplift our training our energy level should be higher than those of the match we play here. So it's like everything we do, we look at Africa before anything else. So I think the boys who know what is in Africa, and when they go to Africa and they perform, it will be their own credit. So I think the energy we put in here, we started, it's not by fluke. We work seriously at our training grounds. And then still, I will not say that we've reached there. We are still working to reach there, but we've not yet reached there. So what you saw is a little bit of what we are trying to do so that because we set the target of winning the league. Kotoko doesn't need anything apart from winning the league. So if the target is to win the league, you have to work extra hard. So you see that we worked extra hard too before coming down here.
Everybody is talking about Hibejeru and Wali Nima. How do you assess their performance?
You should have a plan. You should have a plan as a coach. I have two technical boys who can do everything the ball they wanted. You can't just start and then throw your all. So I brought them when the time was fit for them to come in, to come and then coach down. So they came to do exactly what I told them to do.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you too.